What's popping? You already know what's going on over here. On my mama, we getting money. I'm so hyped to talk to you today about something incredibly important. On God Peep This Game, I'm about to spit to you because it was meant to be sold, not told. Did you know that nearly 70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck broke as hell? That's a staggering statistic that affects millions of duty lives every single day. That's insane. But it doesn't have to be that way. No disrespect. I know it's hard out here trying to get it from the trenches. Imagine a life where you're not constantly stressed about money or paying off the new botch BBL or spending dollars on boss babes that give you no play. Listen, bruh. Mastering your personal finances is the key to unlocking a life of freedom and security. It's about making smart choices and being disciplined and simply not being as stupid as a lot of airheads out here to be 100. You know, I ain't holding back. It's about taking control of your money, fool, so that your money doesn't control you. When you manage your finances well, you open up a world of possibilities. On my soul. And the good news is, you don't need some fancy degree or be a Wall Street guru to make it happen. Anyone can do it with the right guidance and mindset. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 simple yet incredibly effective money management rules that anyone can implement starting today. No more excuses. These rules are designed to be easy to follow and highly impactful. These are the fundamentals that will put you back in the driver's seat and on the road to financial success. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to start making positive changes right away. We've all been there, right? Staring at your bank account like it's written in a foreign language, wondering where all your hard-earned money disappeared. The truth is, most people struggle with the same core financial challenges. Debt is a big one, whether it's credit cards, student loans, or that car payment that just won't quit. Then there's the dreaded lifestyle creep. You get a raise, you start spending more, and suddenly, you're right back where you started. And of course, there's the challenge of saving, which can feel impossible when you're barely making ends meet. But trust me, there's a way out. Look, I get it. The word budget sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. Most people think budgeting is all about cutting out the fun stuff and living a life of deprivation. But I'm telling you, a budget is your financial roadmap to success. Think of it as a tool that helps you navigate your financial journey, ensuring you reach your goals without unnecessary detours. It's not about restricting your life. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious choices about how you want to spend it. When you know your spending habits, you can prioritize what truly matters to you. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. This simple framework can help you allocate your income in a balanced way. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to your needs: rent, groceries, bills. These are your essentials, the things you can't live without. 30% to your wants: eating out, entertainment, travel. This is your fun money, the things that make life enjoyable. And 20% to savings and debt repayment. This is your future fund, ensuring you're prepared for emergencies and future goals. Track your spending for a few months, identify areas where you can cut back, and see where you might be overspending. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you don't even have to think about it. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. By keeping an eye on your finances, you can make informed decisions and stay on track to achieve your financial goals. Saving isn't just about putting money aside for a rainy day. It's about building a foundation for your future. Start by establishing an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will give you peace of mind knowing you can handle unexpected events without going into debt. Next, set specific savings goals, whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or early retirement. The key is to make saving automatic. Set up a separate savings account and schedule regular transfers from your checking account. You won't even miss the money, but your future self will thank you. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth over time. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Start by investing in low-cost index funds that track the broader market. Consider opening a Roth IRA or a 401k to take advantage of tax benefits. And don't be afraid to learn the basics. There are tons of resources available online and even apps that make investing accessible to everyone. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from your financial goals. But the good news is, it's not a life sentence. There are two main strategies for tackling debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, while the avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. Whichever method you choose, create a debt repayment plan, stick to it, and celebrate your wins along the way. This is the game changer, guys. Compound interest is like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, it's pulling money out of thin air. It's the principle of earning interest on your interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions over time can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Let's say you invest $100 a month starting at age 25. At a 7% average annual return, you'd have over $1 million by age 65. That's the power of compound interest. So, there you have it, the 4 essential money management rules. Budget wisely, make saving a habit, invest consistently, and conquer your debt. These principles are the foundation of financial stability and growth. By budgeting wisely, you ensure that every dollar has a purpose, and you avoid unnecessary expenses. Making saving a habit means you're always prepared for unexpected events and future opportunities. Investing consistently allows your money to grow over time, taking advantage of compound interest. And conquering your debt frees you from financial burdens, giving you peace of mind. Remember, taking control of your finances isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. Start implementing these rules today, even if it's just one small step at a time. Your future self will thank you. Now, I want to hear from you. Which rule resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below and share any financial struggles you're facing. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-making and investing tips, check out this video popping up on your screen right now. Don't miss out. Together, we can build a financially secure and prosperous future.